filmmakers uh, who are queer people, they have also tried to make cinema not necessarily about the queer topic, not every time, but there has been an effort to listen to your director, to your co-stars, to their performances. We are in a hurry to give our shot when I'm talking.
Up next, we have Amchi Marathi Mulgi, Sonali Kulkarni. Welcome to E Time, Sonali.
Thank you, Vinay.
LGBTQ festival, not something that is often discussed in the Marathi film industry,
Very true.
and neither do we see a lot of Marathi celebrities on the red carpet for Kashish. Why did you say yes to being here in this moment?
I think while growing up, I was groomed with people who were sensible. I started my career with Girish Karnad sir. Then I got to work with Amol Palekar sir, Sumitra Bhave, Sunil Suktankar, Dr. Jabbar Patel. All these people and their cinema or their plays, it adds to the society. It adds in a way that it helps us learn. So I have never felt the difference of being a girl or a boy or a neutral person. I haven't felt surprised to see a different entity who's next to me who would have different choices. I have always felt that it is so nice that somebody makes an effort to talk to me, to connect with me, probably for an interview, for a film, for a play, or to criticize. I always like this connection, and that connection doesn't have any gender. So for me, it's a very holistic approach that it is all of us. I am different. I have my eccentricities, which you may not know.
True.
Somebody else's not eccentricities, but differences can be seen. Mine are not seen. Mine are hidden. That doesn't make me a pious person, or
Agreed.
a this kind of a person, that kind of a person. So for me, it's been a perfectly a perfect celebration.
Well, brilliant to have an intersectional Marathi actor. We see a lot of difference in terms of content. Like, let me be honest, we see Marathi actors toiling to doing drama to begin with as an actor. We have seen them portraying very women-centric role, telling true stories. Whereas, Bollywood is always criticized to not really put out stories in a rather humane way. But when I personally look at Marathi content, they're very emotional, they're very empathetic. But when I particularly look at, portraying queer stories, because we live in a land where, it's now legal, it's gaining recognition, and it slowly also needs popularity. But do you think that the Marathi industry is a little conservative when it comes to talking out and open about queer cinema?
I'll think about this, Vinay, because I've never given it a thought in depth. But somewhere I feel the filmmakers uh, who are queer people, they have also tried to make cinema not necessarily about the queer topic, not every time. But there has been an effort, and it's okay to be putting out your expression. It needn't be about the issue that we are facing. The expression matters. And I think maybe I'll be the torchlight and I'll try to spread a word about Kashish Film Festival, how much it matters. Kashish judging process has inspired me to make cinema. It has always been a dream, and I would love to have my short or my feature one day at Kashish International Film Festival, Kashish Pride Festival. But let us spread a word, let us tell our friends, and if we let one another know that there is a space like this, maybe some more storytellers will come in front and they will tell their stories.
Definitely, that definitely sounds inspirational. Since you've watched this bucket full of movies, you've been the jury. I'm sure because Kashish features movies from across the globe. I'm sure you must have seen very different stories that you generally don't get to see in Hindi or Marathi cinema. How was this entire process for you as an actor? Were there any learnings? Were there any loopholes that you find as a person when you look at these stories?
First, as an actor, I felt really bad that so far we haven't screened Daira at Kashish. I want everyone to watch Daira, where I played a boy. I want everyone to see a film called Chelui, my first film with Girish Karnad sir, where I was a tree. And as I have said earlier, the nature or the trees, they don't have any gender, neither did I. So my beginning was as neutral as it could be. And the films, I felt that I wish I was a part of this film as an actor. They were so sensitive, so overwhelming, touching. I have cried, I've gone numb, I have really cursed myself. I have just felt like going all out and saving the person on the screen. I felt so protective, and I think let that protective feeling continue. Let me feel the amount of empathy I have felt, the amount of tears that I have shed, an amount of strength all these films have given me.
Now there's this new generation, the Gen Z. They have also slowly started coming on the acting. I'm sure you've come with like such a brilliant career graph, but I'm sure it could be a little irritating at times when these Gen Zs come in, the kind of attitude that they have. But there are some who are really toiling to become a brilliant actor, be that on the drama or be that on OTT or any kind of platform. As Sonali Kulkarni, what are the 5 top suggestions that you would like to become as a true actor, and shed all these inhibitions regardless of the script that you want to be in?
What a lovely question. Uh, First, don't act. Second, do listen to your director, to your co-stars, to their performances. We are in a hurry to give our shot when I'm talking. But there are many shots, there are many scenes where the other actors are talking and you are probably reacting. Understand the silence. So this could be the third point, understand the silence. Um, um, I'll have to think, but I somewhere feel very easy. I'm not one of the brightest actor on the set who would like to give 20 suggestions to the director. The director knows. He knows my capacity. That is why he's cast me, he or she. But it is my, you know, I have to surrender to the director in a way that let us tell the story which this director wants to tell. Let us not tell my story. Let us not look beautiful the way I want. Let us listen to the director. And चार तो मैंने बता दिए. Fifth point probably let's be on time. It's okay. It's not all that uncool to be on time, but it's okay to be typical and follow a certain amount of discipline on the set.
True. It was lovely talking to you.
Likewise, Vinay.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much.
much.
Thank